So I'm a software developer, and over the last year, I've been pretty actively trying to incorporate AI powered tools into my day-to-day software development process as part of my toolkit. Some of the tools that I've been using, for example, is Cursor, which has been fantastic. It's an IDE built on top of VS code, and it just makes my life a lot easier. It enables me to build things a lot faster. So one of the issues that I've had with Cursor, though, is that it's not really good with generating user interfaces. And generally speaking, I'm the kind of guy that likes to tweak and play with the user interface quite a lot, and it ends up slowing me down. And I haven't had a really good tool available where I could just generate user interfaces. Until now, of course. I stumbled upon this tool called V0. It's built by the guys over at Vercel. And today we're going to just give it a shot and see how it works. So you can see the user interface. It's very reminiscent of ChatGPT. And, so it's simple enough to use. Let's give it a prompt. So I think what we'll do is with an idea. One of the ideas that I was thinking about was building a financial portfolio tracker. And let's see how it goes at building that. So I want a dashboard to track the value of my portfolio of equities, commodities, and currencies. I am actively trading on the Johannesburg Stock Exchange and mostly trade in rand. I would like a ticker. It's an animated ticker, similar to that on Bloomberg and CNBC at the top of the page. I would like a widget that tracks the total value of my portfolio. I would like a widget for the top winners and a widget for the top 10 losers. Let's make the other user top 10 winners in my portfolio for the day. I would like some quick actions. For example, buy, sell, etc. in a quick actions would be buttons, right? So I would like some quick action buttons. Next to each winner and user. And then what else? Let's just keep it there for now. Let's just see how it goes. All right. I would like the style to be similar to a Bloomberg dashboard. You know, make it black, dark theme. Well, let's see how this goes. So it's doing its thing. It's thinking. All right, now it's coding. It's generating the user interface. It's doing it in code completely. Remember, this is not generating a fully functional application. What it's doing is just generating a user interface. And it's up to you as a developer to then plug in the data points, the third-party APIs, and all of that once you're happy. But you can see, look at this. This is amazing. It's doing exactly what I've asked it to do. It's created a portfolio value of R1 million. I wish I had a portfolio of R1 million. It's got the top winners, top losers, got the ticker at the top. You can see it's not perfect. It needs a little bit of touch up. It's got the dark theme that I requested. It's got the quick action buttons, buy and sell. What I don't like about it is that ticker animation. The ticker and the make the animation on the ticker slower. Add more items to the ticker. That ticker is going to make it go crazy. Add some subtle backgrounds to the widgets, I think. Make it look better. Yeah. Let's see how that goes. So now it's rewriting everything. Okay. So it has added a little bit of a gradient to each widget, it seems. The animation's still a bit wonky, but not terrible. What I'm excited about is that I can take this code. This is obviously all because it's Vercel, it's all Next.js, and it's like built to just put into and plug into a Next.js app, which is great if you're a Next.js developer. I'm not. I use Laravel, but this is it's a great way to kind of play around with ideas, build out a user interface. You know what would be interesting is actually let's add a pop up when I click buy or sell to ask quantity and price point. Quantity and then calculates price for the order. Actually, not price, it's the amount for the order. This would be cool. The animation is broken. So it's clear that you still kind of have to be a software developer, be able to understand what's going on in the background. You still kind of have to go in and manually tweak things here and there. It's not completely at the point yet where you can just, hand over the responsibility of coding end to end to a bot to do. You still need some technical expertise to understand how this works, how to use it, and how to implement it. But I think that we're rapidly approaching the place where eventually you'd be able to pick up your phone, your iPhone or your Android device, tell ChatGPT or whatever service, LLM you're using, to generate a like almost a one-time application where there's a specific use case that you want to try and solve for, and you can just tell it to generate the app for that. So instead of going to the App Store and searching for an app, you can just go, I need a bill splitting app because I'm out at a restaurant. I need to split this bill between 4 people. I need an app that can do that really quickly. Can you help generate the app? And it can just do that like almost instantaneously. So let's see. I think it's generated the service. Now let's just refresh. Well, it's not working. This is what I'm saying. It's not working 100%. The pop-up isn't there, but I have played with this before, and I can tell you from previous experience. Let me just go through one of the things that I've built in the past. I tried building a little job listing interface. I know that these things do work. I know that sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. Pretty decent. I think that we are approaching a really exciting place with AI and what you can do in terms of software development. But I do think you still need a little bit of technical expertise to actually work with these tools. Otherwise, you're probably going to end up being a little bit frustrated. Thanks.